Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to adjust your battery percent and mileage or both, so that tutorial is coming up. So on your driver display, you'll either see the percent or the mileage, or you can adjust it to both. So, depending on what your preferences are, you can adjust that. So how we do that is we go into the settings icon here. And if it's not on this bar here, you just hit the dots here and it'll show up in here as the setting icon. So you can hit it. Once you go in there, you want to go to vehicle and then you want to go to units. Scroll all the way to the bottom, range in driver display. So you can do miles, percentage, or both. So I like having it in both. It's just nice to be able to see both. And so that's how you do that. And then basically you'll see, for me right now, it'll be both on the screen, and that's it. So hope that helped you.